Sri Racha. Okay, we're actually at a beach, at a park. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. Walk through here a little bit. It's kind of interesting. I think there's some live music over there too, and a walkway. So we're definitely gonna check it all out and explore it and see what this looks like for Sri Racha. Oh, this is for her birthday. I guess they do birthday parties here. Anyways, we're in Sri Racha and we got kind of a waterfront park video. 2023, COVID is over and we're on a road trip. I'm with a good friend of mine. We're going to be doing lots of different cities all along the coast, not too far from Bangkok. So stay tuned and check it all out. Okay, Sri Racha, let's check you all out. Got live music over there. I guess that's the city emblem right there, I guess. So I was out on the pier not too long ago. There's exercise machines everywhere. It's kind of nice. I bet in the evening this is really nice because just have that feeling. Somebody doing Tai Chi down there. I guess what we're gonna do, I think the beach is right over there, so we're gonna walk over there as well. So we're just gonna kind of take in the city. So you got some Eastern Tower, these look like condos. It's like a nice location. And then it looks like if I jump into the grass, it looks like there's a beach down here. Nice town. Let's just see if there actually is a beach here. Yeah, there is. Okay. So this is a city beach right here. There's a playground all the way down there as well. Yeah, really interesting. Dead fish there. Huh. Boy. Huh. Still alive? Okay. So they're just like freshly, at least the tide's going out, there's little fish everywhere. Pretty dead. Huh. So those fish just ended up there. So it looks like they're doing some kind of entrepreneurial work here. Very interesting. And it looks like we got a stage up there directly ahead. You can also do, looks like you can take your car all the way out to that, that right there. Let's see if we can get back up here. So you got a little bit of a city beach anyways. Looks like there's a stage up there as well. So they're setting up. And you got a big sign that says Sri Racha as well. Sri Racha. Okay. So that's actually the city beach and city park. Looks like there's more to explore in here. I bet in the evening it's like perfect. So we are going to walk down this way. And there's a big event stage. Sri Racha. Yeah, it's actually quite hot. It's like about 10 in the morning. I bet it'll keep getting hotter for a while. It looks like you can go all the way to that temple as well. And I bet in the evening it must be nice just kind of walking around. Nice and pleasant. Anyways. I'm just gonna walk across and just see what's across the street here. I think that I can't, there's a gate here that I can't. There we go. That's really nice. There's some nice artwork right here too. So I think this is probably Sri Racha. Let's go across here. And now here's the parking lot, so I'm just gonna go all the way across, all the way down, and just bring the camera over where the main street is at. Just so you can see. So yeah, as you can see, pharmacy, Japanese restaurant. Condos up that way. Very nice park. And we're gonna come to an end for this video. Another little slice of Sri Racha, so. Another one from Thailand. You just saw another spot, and we're going to be doing lots more Thailand, so keep on coming back and checking it all out. And I got lots of videos. Usually I'm in Macau, but of course all of these are in Thailand. Enjoy them.